Hello all, my name is Srishti Shinde. I'm from Kolhapur. Currently, I'm at FirstBit Solution. I'm a student of FirstBit Solution, currently learning full stack Java. And the activity which is happening in FirstBit now is related to campus drive. A drive is happening, and the name of the drive is Unnati. So Unnati has been divided into three phases. For first phase, or we can say the actual motive of the first phase was to focus on aptitude and then technical knowledge, coding questions, and pseudocodes related to the language. And the experience of phase one was brilliant. It really gave us the overview of what actual questions or what kind of questions could be asked in the interview or technical rounds. That was all about first phase. Second phase was all about our training and all. It was related to some motivation and then motivational speakers, how to face the interview. All about all this happened in second phase. And the phase three was the actual campus drive. Today I gave my first interview, and that too my first face-to-face interview. And the experience was brilliant. Really, it was fantastic experience. They were a panel of 5 people, and I was so being confident that they literally gave me a feedback on my face that I'm good in communication skills. That really increased my confidence, and I hope that I would get selected. So yeah, thank you to FirstBit family. Thank you.